So here's the remake of my ATV table. Sits up pretty high. I made sure the ramps were nice and long so it's easy if I have to push it up there. But I can also go up here to the front and hook a winch up there and drag the bike up on it. Wouldn't be a problem. Got some side rails so I can help guide myself when I get up on there. It's a nice little height there. I can actually stand there comfortably working on it, do some oil changes, change wheels, take a motor out, have plenty of work table. Put the bike all the way that way and I'll have a ton of space over here. I left this up here so I can put my tool rack. When I'm out here working on stuff, I can have a spot to put my tools. And then I can actually put me a seat here and just pull the four-wheeler tight up against that rail. And then I can just work right from sitting down. Trying to make my job a little easier, a little faster.